Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video about tracing this, and when I move it over, you can see the lines that we need to get rid of. This thing is a little over 2 inches. I've set my nudge factor on 2.5. I'm going to grab it all, and I'm going to go to Object and Group, and I'm going to ungroup all. But this is still a group, and it's the main one that has the lines in it, where this one doesn't really have any lines. I'm going to put it back where it was. Now I'm going to take this one, I'm going to go to Object, and I'm going to break the curve apart. Now, that's terrible, but I'm going to go to View and Wireframe, and we'll just see the lines. And now, because I've done that, I can start selecting the flower and move it over, and the lines are gone. Now, I really think this will be a lot easier than trying to move or delete the lines, because all you have to do is click in the center of the object and you're getting rid of the lines. And then some of that little trash, you can either, all I'm doing is holding my hand on the right arrow key, so it's moving stuff over. Now, because I converted it to a curve, and like, let me pick out another one. Like this one has a long line past it. Well, when we take this, it leaves that line. We'll go ahead and take all these parts and see how it left that line. And if you go through here, and you can do it pretty, and I actually jiggled that one. So I'm going to put it back, see how it jiggled, and then I can move it over. Now that's still going to have some like whoop-de-doos, what I call, and just, try to get all or most of them. I think if you left anything out, it wouldn't really matter too much in the design. But this to me is a lot easier, because when you grab that line, you have to be right on that line. This way I'm right in the center of that object. Now, because we converted it to a curve, we can't just, we'll have to fill it in with the Smart Fill tool, but that'll be pretty easy. So I'm just going to get a few more of these and see how that line's there. And this to me is a lot easier than trying to hit on the lines, because all you're doing is hitting that, anywhere in that object. And I think I just about got enough of them. We'll go ahead and get some more. Look at it, maybe up in here. And now, and what's the advantage of this? If you wanted those 4 parts, you could just take your pick tool and, grab those 3, grab that one, and see how I could grab 2 of them at a time. Now let's look at our flower, and it looks pretty good. Now, and I must have nudged this thing twice, so I'm going to nudge it back. Now, if I select this and make it black, well, we'll have to go to View and Enhance, and see that's how it's all blacked in. So we'll go back to View and Wireframe, and then we'll just take the Smart Fill tool and set on black, because they're a laser engraving. Now we can't see it because it's in wireframe, but I think it got everything. It didn't get this thing right here. And then when we go back to View and Enhanced, look at that. It's a perfect rendition. And like yesterday, we fixed this right here, and you could add and change, but to me it's a lot faster than trying to move all these lines. If we go back to View and Wireframe, see all the lines that we moved away, and then of course we need to move that one over to the other part, and on that one we can just, well, we're still looking under Wireframe, Enhance, and that's what it's going to look like. And then just delete everything. And the best thing to do is hit F4 on your keyboard. And if you only want to keep that, just delete I didn't delete it. And then hit F4 again. And if you just get that, then all that other garbage is gone. So your F4 key is really important. And you could go through here and change these very easily by going back and taking away the fill and add the outline. Once again, this person draws in hairline, and see how much better that is. Now, like that line right there, we can go to object, break the curve apart again, and then we can get rid of these lines if you want them. They shouldn't really show up. But what I was going to show you, you could, see, you can't just grab that because it's, so you have to go off your item. But once you got all this cleaned up, then you could take this shape and manipulate it and kind of make it look more like a, flower. Like you wouldn't want to have, something rounded. You could select both those, right click and turn them into a curve. And then when you did that, you can manipulate the curves. Now I'm pretty sure you just I don't think you can just turn all this black again. See, it's going to do the same thing. So just do the exact same thing with the Smart Fill tool set on black, and look at that. And of course, I would move it out of the way so you wouldn't have any residential lines that were there. Anyway, I hope that helped that person a little bit more and somebody learned something, and thank you for watching.